Jai Shri Krishna, welcome to Raseelo Swad. Today we are going to make the Gujarati Traditional Sweet Mohanthal. For this I have taken 500 grams of coarse gram flour. I have heated half a bowl of milk and added 4 tablespoons of ghee to it. Once it starts boiling, we will pour it into the flour. Then we will mix it properly to prepare the mixture of the gram flour and keep it aside for 5 to 6 hours. If you don't have much time, you can even keep it for just 1 hour and still make Mohanthal. After 6 hours, our rested flour is ready. Now we will sift it through a large sieve. The coarse particles that remain, we will grind them in a mixer. Now our grainy flour is ready. We will roast it in ghee. For 500 grams of flour, I have taken 350 grams of ghee. Now we will roast this flour on a slow flame for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 10 minutes of roasting, but the color isn't yet perfect. So we will continue for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now the flour is roasted well. We will start adding milk little by little. Once it's properly roasted, we will let it cool for a while. Meanwhile, we will prepare the sugar syrup. We have taken 450 grams of sugar. For 500 grams of flour, we will add just enough water so the sugar is submerged. The less water you add, the quicker your syrup will form. We need to make a thick syrup. I don't add any food color, just cardamom, mace and nutmeg powder along with saffron. Now we will let it boil until reach the one string consistency. In about 10 minutes the syrup will be ready. Now let's check the syrup. This thick one string syrup is perfect. We will let it cool slightly before adding it to the flour. Always add slightly cooled syrup to slightly cooled flour. If it's hot, the Mohanthal won't turn on soft. Now we will add the syrup. We will also add cardamom, nutmeg and mace powder. Then spread the mixture in a greased tray. Our Mohanthal is spread evenly. We will top it with sliced dry fruits. Now we will keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours to cool completely and then cut it into the pieces. Our soft and grainy Mohanthal is ready.